this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. This is the next project that I will be working on. I'm getting into the theme of Halloween, which is only just around the corner. I normally go for pumpkins and all that sort of thing, but when I saw this, I just was like, wow. I absolutely love this image. I think it's awesome. I love the colors. This is a beautiful 30 by 50 centimeter diamond painting that was sent to me for review by OneDaySaving, and I love the size, and I love the ominous, dark stuff. Beautiful moonlight. You've got this gorgeous fog behind you. You've got the cemetery in the background, and you have this gorgeous black cat with his sort of glowing eyeballs in the center there. I just love this image. I think this is going to turn out absolutely beautifully. I think this would look awesome as a cross stitch. But yes, absolutely beautiful. This is a full round drill. It has 23 colors in it. I love the size. I just love it. And I was kind of thinking with parts of the moon here and his eyeballs, I could use some white AB drills. I think that'll look really cool. But that is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. So I think this is beautifully printed. Don't see any issues so far with it. You've got a lot of dark symbols there, but you've got white or light writing on it. I don't think there's any issues with that, but I think when you get into sort of this bit, because you've got all sort of the same background and you've got all white writing, it's like you've got R's next to B's and stuff, so probably have to focus a little bit on that one, but other than that, I think that'll be pretty easy. It's got two symbol keys, one on each side. I'll bring you over to this one. So there's your symbols there. So they are all capital letters, and they have your DMC Crofts reference, so no issues at all there. But coming along here, I just love that cat. So there's a lot of dark colors in there. Symbols are well printed, so I don't need a light pad. But isn't that gorgeous? So wouldn't that look awesome, having the AB drills right in the moonlight? Beautiful. And there's your little thumbnail there, but it's sort of squished. So that looks really, really good. I'll just bring you back to the center, back to the cat. And I'll zoom you back out again. There we go. Awesome. All right, we'll have a look at those drills. Oh, my note. So the drills came just on your standard strip. How many are there? Oh yeah, 23 colors. So look at all the blues and dark colors. Awesome. So I'll do this little strip first. We'll just go through these quickly. So you got just lots of blues. Different shades of blues there. Just quickly, some more blues. Sort of a very, very pale blue, that one. So black, blue, 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 dark blue, medium blue, blue gray, blue, 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 blue. And I'm also having a look at those drills too. So they look really, really good. Nice and uniform. Wow, there's a lot of planes out today. Beautiful day today. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're all zooming around. Blue, 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 light blue. And then into your grays. Gray, gray, beautiful blue gray, and blue. So beautiful, beautiful colors, and absolutely gorgeous. And those drills look amazing. Bring it back on board again. So with all those beautiful blues and grays and dark, dark blues, you're just going to get some amazing shading in this diamond painting. And because it isn't your standard 30 by 40, you've got that sort of extra sizing. And they've zoomed in on the cat, but left enough sort of room in the background to sort of see the tombstones in the background. So it gives it a much nicer looking image. But that shading is going to be amazing. So just check the adhesive. It's a super duper sticky. How beautiful is that? Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to get started on this one pretty darn quick. And when I come back, I will do my review, let you know how I went with this one, if I had any issues, that sort of thing. So I'm going to get started on this one, and I'll see you soon. Okay, all finished. Didn't this turn out amazing? I love everything about this diamond painting. I think it turned out so beautiful. And I love all the beautiful subtle shading that you've got in the background. I love how sort of you've got this beautiful wall down below that the cat is sitting on, and then you come up and the cat, I mean, look at the sheen. You can see the sheen in its fur, which I think is amazing. And you got this beautiful misty cemetery in the background, the tombstones, and then this gorgeous moonlight. Absolutely beautiful. And because a lot of the blues were very, very similar, you're sort of going away, you know, drilling away, and you're thinking, is this actually working? Like, is this going to come up okay? And then when you sort of stand back, it's like, oh wow, that looks so cool. So very impressed. Now what I did with this, I thought I'd sort of add a bit of extra bling, so I added some white AB drills to it. I thought, you know, I'll just pop it in the cat's eyes to sort of make it a little bit more, you know, mesmerizing. And I put it right along the edging there of the moon, just to sort of give it a little bit of extra sparkle. But I think that turned out absolutely beautiful. And I love the size of it, you know, the 30 by 50, really effective. All right, I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at those drills. So those drills were just really, really good. Nice and uniform. I had maybe 3 or 4 reject drills. That was it. 23 colors. Came out very, very nice. There's a cat with his eyeballs. And then you've got the moon there. And I don't know if it'll pick up those ABs. There we go. Yeah, so I just sort of sprinkled it in there, you know, in with the other white. But look how shiny those drills are. Absolutely beautiful. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. So the canvas was really good. The adhesive was very good as well. Had no issues there whatsoever. So what I will do is I will show you the leftover drills. Came over there. Right, so I kitted the drills up in my favoriteest containers in the whole wide world. I use these all the time. These are just your screw top jars. There's 24 in there, and I got them from Kmart, and they were like $6. They're my absolute favorites. But you can see all those different blues is just, and you're sort of sprinkling a grays in there as well. Absolutely beautiful. Tons of leftover drills. Lots and lots and lots. No issues at all. There's actually heaps of that one. I think these were sort of, these 3 were the lightest as far as drills go, and you can see there was plenty there. So really impressed with those drills. So what I did was, when I kitted them up, I put them all in alphabetical order, and that way it's easy for me to sort of find where I'm going. That's just sort of how I roll. And I always put the DMC code on there as well, because what I do is when I kit these down, I put each one in a little Ziploc bag, and I just take these are really good, like I can take the label off of there and put it straight on the Ziploc bag, and then I know what color I've got in case I need to raid my stash. But that's sort of basically how I do it. So love these containers. Heaps and heaps of drills left over. And back onto the cat. I just love this. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I will seal it. I would like to actually put, I don't know, maybe a little bit of washi tape around the edging and then hang it up somewhere. I'm sure I can find somewhere to hang it up because I think it's just too gorgeous to have it locked away in a box. Didn't it turn out beautiful? I just love it. The mistiness, the spookiness. Great start to October with Halloween coming up very, very quickly. Yep, absolutely love this. I got a couple of other Halloween projects on the go as well, so keep your eyes peeled for those videos in the not too distant future. But yes, there is my spooky black cat diamond painting that I got from OneDaySaving. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending this out to me for review. I love it. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.